What are you videotaping?
He's getting ready to yawn.
Stop. Oh, I didn't even know you had them
Did you
down.
know Liberty Mutual customizes your car insurance so you only pay for what you need?
Given my unique lifestyle, that'd be perfect.
I just gave him a long bath.
And some paper. You know what? I'm gonna switch now. Just need my desk.
You did?
I was
My
upstairs.
chair.
You what?
While I was upstairs.
And my phone.
Would you bathe them in the sink?
No, in the purple thing.
Only pay for what you need. Liberty, 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 liberty.
Thought he sleeps all day.
205, every match counts.
It depends. He's coming out now.
My 912, no days off migraine medicine.
Hey, buddy.
The migraine medicine I can take.
He came out when he heard your voice. Oh, there he goes. Good baby. That was a good yawn. That was awesome.
He just swallowed.
Yeah.
Relieving pain and debilitating symptoms.
He's listening to your voice.
Mine?
Yeah.
Hey.
Believed to be a cause of migraine.
He is cool.
Strong CYP3A4 inhibitors.
Wicked cool.
Few people had side effects. Most common were nausea and tiredness.
Migraine hits hard. Hit back with Ubrelvy, but anytime,
It's
anywhere.
weird watching the skin on his neck. It's just,
Yeah, he's really soft. Oh, guess you're not eating today. Okay. You're gonna eat something? Little leaf?